My name is Nabigalul Fantown. I am from the Ministry of Industry. I am responsible for the growth and development of especially the chemical industries in our country. This includes chemical and related industries, pharmaceutical industries, cement industries, and anything related to chemical products. So we have a unit there, and we are responsible for the development of this industry sector.
Would you tell me what inputs you have got from this leadership for results in climate change?
Well, we have got very fantastic new lessons and in leadership. You know, leadership manages everything. Leadership is the key to understand what problems are there and also their solutions. So we have managed to gain many tools that will help us in solving many problems which we encounter during our implementation of these breakthrough projects. So we have learned how to come up with breakthrough projects, and we have developed our own breakthrough project. Then during its implementation activity, we may encounter different types of problems. So during this training session, we are given with the tools, with the necessary knowledge and guidelines, how to solve our problems and get a sustainable solution to the problem of climate change in our country. So we have got really very helpful knowledge about communication, how to build constructive relationships among others and ourselves, and how to overcome previous customary procedures and come up with new ideas. So really it was very helpful.
May I ask you specific questions related to these chemical entities and the climate change risk in Ethiopia?
Well, as you know, industries are one of the major emitters of these greenhouse gases that contribute to the adventure of climate change. So in that case, especially cement industries in our countries, fertilizer industries are the most pollutant ones. So the chemical industry sector really contributes to climate change. So we have to do something about it. That's why we have brought out our breakthrough initiative, so that to tackle or to show a way how to tackle the climate change problem in our country.
How do you measure the challenge related to Ethiopia's commitment to build carbon free?
Yes, so that's a challenge, but we have also an opportunity, because we are already developing the necessary skills and knowledge that will give us some strengths during our industrialization process. So we have already started it before the advent of industrialization in our country. So that's a big opportunity. So all these exercises, leadership exercises and all other exercises in the scientific community will help us to overcome the challenge of climate change, also to prevent the effects of climate change in our country before really we are industrialized. So it's going hand in hand. Both climate change prevention and adaptation process and also the industrialization process are going hand in hand. So this will really save us from the negative impacts of climate change that may occur in the future.
In this respect, how do you visualize the future as a leadership in climate change?
Yeah, so industrialization in our country is inevitable. It will certainly come because we are now experiencing a sharp growth in our industry sector. So industry is going to grow in the future, and now many people are being aware of the impacts of industrialization on our climate. So with this in mind, we can forecast the future in Ethiopia as a very industrialized country with very low carbon footprint. That's how I visualize it.
Mm-hmm. So you are positive enough to see that result. As a young leader, you expect that Ethiopia will achieve that?
Certainly, of course.
Okay. Thank you.